Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back at it with another Cash App video. Today we've searched Cash App glitch. We're going to take a look at one of these and see if it's legit, see if it's a scam, see what's going on. I'll break it down and let you know what I think. And today we should look at this one right here. Cash App glitch, new glitch, easy. 6.9k views 1 year ago. Quick and easy glitch, help you on a rainy day. 1,000 to 2,000, good luck. So let's go ahead and click on this. We're gonna watch through this and see what happens. This is just the standard screen when you come into Cash App and you can type whatever amount of money that you want here. So it looks like they typed 7,500. There's no audio for this video, unfortunately, so they aren't explaining anything. Now they've typed 1,000 and they've tapped pay, and it looks like they're typing in someone's username. So they've typed in that person's username and they've tapped pay. Your bank declined this payment. Update your debit card to continue. So it looks like they press cancel and they're gonna try this again. Same exact screen. It doesn't look like they're doing anything, but just trying to get you to watch the video. So unfortunately, this glitch isn't gonna do anything. It's not a glitch. It's just them trying to get YouTube views. So yeah, nothing ever happened. Unfortunately, Cash App is owned by Block, which is a $72 billion company. So they're not gonna allow basic glitches to happen within their app. So don't fall for this stuff. Cash App is a very legit full service banking and investing app. There's not gonna be any glitches or hacks or free money things. If anyone's trying to trick you into something like that, they're probably just trying to steal your money or steal your attention. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.